Hi everyone! So I received some happy mail, so I'm really excited to share with you guys what came in. So, let's see. Oh, one is a giveaway that I won. Let's start with the giveaway here. So this comes from Nikki. She is here on YouTube. So I'll leave a link down below to her channel. Oh my gosh, the first thing I pulled out was the card. Look at how cute that is. Oh my gosh, I love it. So it's just congratulations for winning. I think our giveaway was on Halloween, so that was really fun because I love Halloween. And look at that. That's really cute. Little ornament there. Then here's just some stuffing she has. So, oh, awesome. So here is her social media right there. So you guys can go check her out. She's on Instagram. She's on YouTube. She's on Etsy. So definitely go show her some love. Oh, look at her card. Is very pretty. I like the black and white. That's really nice. I love that. It's so fancy and official. So let's see. Let me pull it out. So she had made these little like witch cups, which were so cute. So it's supposed to go like this. So it's a little coffee cup. Isn't that really cute? I love that. And then she got the little hat up here with all the little stars. And then when you open it up, you got your goodies inside. So there is a little like stir stick here in blue, which I love because I love me some blue. And let's see what we have. Oh, we got a little doily. Oh, it's a ghosty. That's so cute. Oh, I would have never thought to make a little doily into a little ghosty. That's so cute. I have a thrift shop that sells these for about $1. So now I want to run and go see if I can find any because they don't always have them, but when they do, they're only $1. So I'm like, now I need them all. Then we have a sequence mix right here. Really pretty. I see some stars, some circles. I think there's some diamond dots in there. And I love this. Like, I love when fabric is like torn on the edge. So that's really nice. And there's a huge old spider right there. And we got some fabric samples with a nice little spider. Oh, these are cute. Look, she made little beads and put it with a little spider. Then there's a little batty bat over here. And we got a little bow. I like that double layer bow. That's really nice. And then we have a little skull pick. And we have some little beads here. Oh, they're bracelets. Oh, that's cute. That is really, really cute. So we got a little Hocus Pocus bracelet. Oh, that is so nice. I love Hocus Pocus. Me and Sunny Boy will watch it all year long. So that's very, very cool. Love it. Thank you so much, Nikki, for hosting this giveaway. That was so fun to open. Like I said, I'll leave a link down below to her channel. And then next up is from my friend Jackie. She told me that she was mailing me something. So let's open this up. Okay, so I cut the top off. So she watches me with Maddie. So hi, Maddie, if you're watching. Oh my gosh, look. It's Nightmare Before Christmas. It's a little window cling. So she told me that she's mailing something for my cruise. So I am definitely packing this. We leave in like 9 days, you guys. Oh my gosh, I'm dying. I don't even have any videos like pre-recorded yet. I'm freaking out. I'm like running out of time to do things. But Sunny Boy chose the theme of Nightmare Before Christmas, so I always decorate the inside and the outside of our cabin. So the outside is going to be Nightmare Before Christmas, so I can definitely use this. Oh my gosh, how cool is that? Look at the tree with all the like little details. And I hope that these are in here also, the little, what are these, snowflakes? I think that'd be so cool. I cannot wait to take this with us and open it up, and I'll definitely share videos with you guys on what I do. And then I got my first Christmas card. So look at the pretty little washi. We got our little Christmas sticker. We got a Snoopy over here. Oh, this is so pretty. I wonder if she made this. Look at how cute. We got a little strip of washi down here. Got a little Gingy guy. This is so, so cute. So this comes from Stephanie. Oh, thank you so much, Stephanie. I super appreciate it. Stephanie's in Texas. And look at how pretty is that washi. I don't think I've ever seen that little deer washi before. That's so pretty. Oh, look, it's a little Hallmark card. There you go. Oh my gosh, that's beautiful. Thank you so much for that. And then lastly, we have... Oh my gosh, how cute. So the Crafty Bookshop. I'll leave her linked. Oh, this is for Sunny. I can see it already in there. Oh, look at her sticker. I love that. You guys are so fancy with your business cards and stickers. But look at, oh my gosh, how stinking cute is this? We got a little piggy. How pretty with all the like little floral and the leaves in there. Oh, this is gorgeous. Sunny Boy will be so, so excited. Poor Sunny has been sick. He feels fine during the day, and then like right around like 8 p.m. he's like, Mom, I don't feel good. And then he has a fever. And then the next day he's fine. He's good. And then 8 p.m. comes and he's got a fever. I'm like, what the heck is going on? I have no idea, but he's been like that for like 3 days. So this will definitely brighten his day. I cannot wait to go and show him. He's going to be so, so happy. So thank you guys so, so much. You guys are so amazing. I love that you guys are always thinking about me and Sunny. I just super appreciate you guys. You guys are the sweetest friends anybody could ever ask for. So I super appreciate each and every one of you for always watching and just being so supportive. It really means so much to me. You have no idea. So thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you later. Bye, guys.